some of your challenges that you're having in your relationship, especially like needing ideas to enhance the relationship, uh, enhancing it, things to do, things you want to do with your mate, um, ideas to keep the spark. If you lost that, even just a sexual question, you know, make sure you send me any questions you have about that. But what I want to do, I want to give you one of the ideas of things about enhancing relationship. So first, let me say this: if you and the mate that you are with is not providing you your needs or your desires, you have to have a conversation. You cannot make an assumption that it doesn't matter, that you will accept it, or are you the one that not being active, enhancing it, coming up with ideas? Because it's not, sometimes it's you and it's not that person. And when that happens, we have to, as men and women, we have to find ways to keep our relationship exciting, because if we don't, our relationships become complacent, come uninteresting, or you end up coming apart. And that's where the cheating comes in, because you're not having a conversation with your mate. Now, we're talking about if everything is fine in your relationship. If everything is fine in your relationship, then you should be able and capable of having a conversation with your mate about your desires, about what you want, about what you don't like. If it's a person that you no longer desire, or they're not making you happy, or they're not fulfilling your needs, or there's a lack, then you have to change that situation. Stop hanging on to a person that is not providing you your needs or giving you what makes you happy. And if they're not providing that, why are you staying in that relationship? Why are you continuing? And I know some of you all would say, well, I'm staying because of reasons. I've been with them for 20 years. I ought to be with them. Oh, I had all these kids by them. They ought to take care. He owed me this, that, and the other. She this, that, and no. You have to move on from people that make you unhappy or not giving you what you need, because if you don't, they're going to cheat. So why do you want to be with somebody that is out there doing something anyway that could possibly harm you? Move on. And I'm going to talk about that on my next talk. We'll talk again Thursday. And I'm going to talk about that. Y'all got to know how to just move on and end these relationships. And y'all want to drag the horse, carry the horse, and play with the horse. Let that horse go. So, I mean, what am I missing here? You have to make self happy. Everything about being successful and being happy, has to be stress-free, about peace and about joy. And if you don't have that with that person, if you're not in love, if they don't make you happy, you got to move on.